Good morning, students. So today this is our computer class, and we are going to do something in HTML and CSS. So for today's topic, we will discuss today lists, various types of list, how we can decorate list in HTML with the help of CSS, right? Then in our next class, we will also discuss about tables and forms formatting. Now today's our focus will be on specifying bullet style, bullet points in HTML. Okay, so bullet point styles. You know that we have two types of lists in HTML: order and unorder list. In order list, we have elements in a list in a sequence or in a proper index, whereas in unordered list we do not have any specified index. Any element in the list can appear anywhere in the list, so we can represent list in circle, squares, and many more symbols. So we use ol tag, ol for order list and ul for unordered list. You can see here ol, this is the code for CSS. With this code, we have redefined the OL style using the CSS format. OL is our HTML tag, and we have redefined this OL tag in CSS by applying list dash style dash type colon lower dash Roman. So our order list will appear in lower Roman letters, right? We will also do some practical of this, and order list and unorder list will be discussed. The list style type property allow you to control the shape or style of a bullet. Okay, it is also known, this bullet point is also known as a marker. It can be used on rules that apply to OL, UL, and LI element. OL and UL are the container elements, and LI is the element of both OL and UL. You know this well. Okay. Now we'll take some example. First we will do unordered list. So in case of unordered list, what happens? Unordered list. For an unordered list, you can use the following values. It means we can use none value, we can use disk shape, we can use circle, and we can use square. For order list, we can use numbered list like decimal numbers, or decimal with the leading zeros, lower alpha ABC, small case, upper alpha capital ABC, lower dash Roman letters in small, and upper dash Roman. These are the values of order list if we uh, want to specify it in CSS. Okay, now we will take one example. Here we have one example. We have computer system, then softwares, and then types of software: application, system, and utility. We have created one small list, and now what we will do the practical of this. And for this, I will just open uh, one application, VB, Visual Basic. Here I have opened this Visual Basic, and in Visual Basic we can also use Notepad in place of Visual Basic for writing the code of HTML. But it is easy to make write codes in Visual Basic because we get most of the code by default. So this is our window of Visual Basic. This is similar. Similarly, we can also use this code in Notepad. Here I'll just uh, new file, file name. What will be the file name? We will use the file name as list.html. This will be the file name. So I'll just type here new, then list, and then enter. List-style.html. Now this is our file. You can see list style html. Now we will type exclamation marks and hit enter. So all the structure of the html page will be copied in this window. Now what we have to do, we have to modify the title and heading section of this document. Now what we will use here, we will use order and unorder list in html with css formatting. Right now, you see, you already know that there are three types of css: internal, external, and inline. So in this example, in today's example, we will use internal css. So in for the internal css, we use style tag inside the head section of the html. Here we will use this ol. This is the css part, so we will use this code inside this style tag. So what is the code definition? Ol order list, list dash style dash type lower roman. Right now what we will do, we will use this code, which is html code here, and we'll copy this code inside the body part. Now we have body part, we have used h1, and that is computer system, then h2 software, and then different types of softwares. We have created one list. Now we are using ol list, order list, order list, order list. So order list is lower roman, so all this application system and utility will appear in list of roman is lowercase roman letters. Now we will run this program and see all things are going properly or not. Right, so for running this program, what we will do, we will just save the program. Okay, and then we will uh, run this program or open this program in a browser, or we can use this run and debug, and then we will use Google Chrome, and it will open in Google Chrome. Now we will check the output of this HTML code on Google Chrome, and you can see computer system, then software, and then the different types of softwares are displayed in small Roman characters. If you want to see this list in capital or upper roman characters, then we can change this by using this one, upper roman. So now we'll change this to upper roman, and then see how it will look in Google Chrome. So we will change it upper, we will change this lower to upper, UPPER, and then we will just save, Control S. Then we will go to Google Chrome and we will press F5, or we will just click on this refresh button, reload button, and you can see These small Roman characters have been changed to capital or upper Roman character. What is next to this? That is lower alpha. So if we use lower alpha instead of using lower upper Roman, then it will look a lower upper alpha. ALPHA. Upper alpha. We'll just save this. Go to Google Chrome and reload this page. You can see A, B, C capitals. Next, small alpha, lower alpha, save and refresh the page. Now it has lower alpha. What's next? Uh, lower, upper, lower alpha. Okay, upper Roman and lower Roman. Now decimal. If we use decimal, if you want to see everything in decimal numbers, decimal. Okay. Now save and go to, you can see 1, 2 and 3, and decimal with the leading 0 we can also use this. Decimal leading 0, decimal dash leading 0. Now save and run. Sorry, go to Chrome and then refresh. You can see all the numbers are leading with a 0, right? So this is the code of the file. First we have used document type, then here we have used the style inbuilt internal style sheet. This is the internal style because we have used this style tag within a head of the HTML page, and then we have used one order list and unorder. Now we will take the unorder list example. So for unorder list we use UL tag. UL tag. So just like OL we will use UL. So in this case UL, we will use this one UL, and we can apply some images as a bullet point for an order list. So this time we'll just use this one instead of this OL tag, and we'll copy here UL list style image colon URL image star dot png. So I'll just take one image from the internet and we'll save it in somewhere and then use this image as a bullet for the list, unordered list. So I'm just downloading some star and then images, and we'll use this one, this image. We'll just save this one, save. So I'll save this image at the same folder where we have created this HTML document. So we'll this is ht doc, and here star star. Now in this case we will just I'll just use star. Now we will change this uh, address star dot jpg. Our image is jpg. I will use this in our code. dot jpg, and we will use ul instead of ol. So ul and ul. Now we will save this, and again I'll just refresh this page, and you can see all this list is appearing with the star, but this star is quite a big, so I'll just reduce the size of that star, and then we will just reload this page once again to see the changes. uh, h jump htdoc is the location of the file where we have used this, where is star. Now you can see I have changed the resize the star size image, so now it is looking quite good. We'll just reduce the size more, resize, and then pixels, and then 30. Now it will look perfect. Now refresh, and you can see we have used these bullets, these images as a bullet in our unordered list, right? So you will just go through this PDF and then see this video how we can use order list and unordered list in our HTML and CSS programs, right? Okay.